This is lesson 4.1, estimating sums of and differences. Example 1, we have our friend Hayden here who had about 1/6 of a box of pencils. Trevor had about 2/5 of a box. Kelsey had about 4/7, and Asha had about 5/6. The question we're being asked is how many pencils do we have altogether? Notice our key word here. The important word in this problem we see about 4 times is about, 5 times actually, and the question starts with about. So what does that mean we're doing? We are estimating. We are not finding an exact number. In fact, we're not going to be finding an exact number all day today, except for maybe in review problems. So let's go ahead and do this. So we estimate by rounding. So when we're doing this, as you would have seen in the last slide, the blue box, you are going to round to 3 numbers. There are 3 numbers, and 3 numbers shall be the numbers of your rounding. We are going to round to 0, 1/2, or 1/2, depending on the size of our fraction. So we have 4 fractions. We have 1/6, which we will say equals about something. We have 2/5, which equals about something. We have 4/7, which is about something. And we have 5/6, which is about something. Notice that I am using the squiggly equals here because I am not saying that they are equal to. I'm saying they are about equal to. So the question is, what are they closest to? 0, 1/2, or 1. So I've got my handy-dandy fraction bar here. And I will use it to do 1/6. 1/6. Let's see here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So 6ths. 1/6 is about right here. Is this closer to 0, 1/2, or 1? Well, in this case, 1/6 is closest to 0. So I would round that to 0. It's almost got nothing. Let's look at 2/5. There's my marker. So 1/6 is closest to 0. 2/5 is that closest to 0, 1/2, or 1/2? Well, it's not closer to 1/2, that's for sure, but it is closest to 1/2. 1/2, 4/7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4/7. Well, 0, no. 1, 1/2. Or 3/6 in this case. 1/2? Yep, looks like it's closest to 1/2 to me. 1/2 and 5/6. So I'm just going to fill in the rest of this one here. 5/6. 5/6 is, it's not closer to 1/2 than it is to 1/2, and it's definitely not closest to 0. So I'm going to say that one is closest to 1/2. 1. Now, I add these together. I have 0 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2, which equals, 1/2 plus 1/2 is 1/2 plus 1 other whole plus 0 is 2. So they have about 2 boxes of pencils. Estimating with rounding to 0, 1/2, or 1.